Have you ever felt frustrated trying to learn English? Like no matter how hard you try, the words just won't stick? Imagine moving to a country where everyone speaks a language you don't understand. This is Maria's story. She started from zero, no confidence, no experience, but today, she speaks English fluently. How did she do it? Stay with me, because her journey will inspire you, and it might just change the way you learn English forever. From zero to hero, how Maria mastered English against all odds. Maria had always dreamed of learning English, but growing up in a small town in Mexico, she never had the chance. At 25 years old, she found herself in a bustling American city. When people spoke to her, she froze. She couldn't understand them, and even the simplest words felt impossible to pronounce. One day at the grocery store, a cashier asked, "Do you need a bag?" Maria smiled nervously and said, "Yes, please," even though she hadn't understood the question. That small interaction lit a fire in her heart. "I will learn English," she promised herself, "no matter how hard it is." Maria started small. Every morning, she woke up at 5 a.m., opened YouTube, and practiced with free English videos. She repeated words like hello, thank you, and good morning over and over, sometimes laughing at herself when her pronunciation was off. But she didn't stop there. Maria wrote sticky notes and placed them everywhere: fridge, door, window. Her tiny apartment turned into an English classroom. And when she walked to work, she whispered sentences to herself: "The weather is nice today, I am learning English." She knew progress was slow, but she kept going. Then came her first test, ordering coffee at a cafe. Her palms were sweaty as she approached the counter. "What if they don't understand me?" she thought. She took a deep breath and said, "I would like a small coffee, please." The barista smiled and replied, "Of course. That'll be $2.50. Maria couldn't believe it. She had spoken English, and someone had understood her. It was a tiny victory, but to Maria, it felt like she had climbed a mountain. Every day, Maria pushed herself a little more. She made friends with co-workers who spoke English. She asked them, "Can you teach me a new word today?" They taught her words like awesome, challenge, and never give up. Maria even started watching movies in English, repeating lines out loud. Slowly, she began to think in English. One day, Maria realized something incredible. She wasn't just learning English, she was becoming a new version of herself, confident, strong, and brave. Months later, Maria stood on stage at her company's meeting. In front of hundreds of people, she introduced herself. "Hi, my name is Maria. I used to be afraid of speaking English, but now, I love it." The room erupted in applause. Tears welled in Maria's eyes. She had done it. Maria's story is proof that anyone can learn English. It takes patience, practice, and courage. If you're learning English today, remember, every word, every sentence, and every mistake brings you closer to success. Like Maria, you can turn your dreams into reality. Don't give up. You've got this. If Maria's story inspired you, hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe for more tips and stories to improve your English every day.